This is a video on like terms. Okay, so let's talk fruit. Let's say you had 3 apples and 2 bananas. You can't add those together. They're different. You can't add 3 apples plus 2 bananas. Can't do it. Because they're not alike. They're not like terms. They're unlike. Okay, but what if you had 4 apples and 7 apples? You can add them together. That would equal 11 apples. In math, we call these things terms, and if they're the same, we call them like terms. In math, we don't usually write words. So instead of apples, we might just use the letter A. So we might say 4A plus 7A. And then instead of 11 apples, we would say 11A. So we use these things, we use letters, but we actually call them variables to represent something. Okay, so let's try it not using apples or bananas, but using letters. So, what has the same letters? These 2 things. So what's 3A plus 4A? Think of it like apples. 3 apples plus 4 apples is 7 apples. Then the next group. These both have the letter B. So 7B plus 10B is 17B. And it's positive, so we put a plus 17B. Now we can't add these because they're not the same. A is not equal to B. So we can't add them. So we're done. Okay, next one. What has the same letter? The 3x and the plus 6x. So the plus in front of the 6x tells us to add them. Okay, so we have 3x plus 6x. That's 9x. What about this? Can't add it because it doesn't have an x. So we just write plus 6. And we're done. 9x plus 6. Okay. Okay, let's look at this one. This one says 10x minus x. Here's the secret. There's actually a little 1 in front of that. So this actually means 10x minus 1x, which would equal 9x. Whoa. Okay, next question. Here we have a couple of x's and a couple of numbers. So let's put our x's together. Sorry, I'm outside. What's 9x minus 2x? Well, 9 take away 2 is 7. So we have 7x. Then let's add our numbers. We have 10 plus 13. So we have positive 23. And we're done. This one has an X and this one doesn't. And that is the end of like terms.